Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be very happy to welcome you into our little community. Today I wanted to film my version of the soft glam that is a makeup trend at the moment. You know, really something really soft on the eye, but it's still glamorous. And I really like this trend, so I wanted to show you my version of it. And I'm sorry if my voice is not perfectly clear. I am sick for a week now, so that's why I couldn't film before, because my voice was completely out. But today is better, so I thought that's the moment where I can film for you guys. So without further ado, if you want to see my version of the soft glam, then keep on watching. Today I want to begin with the eyes. I already did my eyebrows, and for this makeup trend, what is great is that you can use whatever palette that you have in your house. So today I want to use again the new nude from Huda Beauty. I'm saying again because I used it for my beauty favorite of last year. But like I said, it's really a color story that speaks to me when I think of everyday makeup look. And I think that for soft glam I can really make it work. So that's what I'm gonna use today, but feel free to use whatever you have at home. So I will begin by applying a little bit of concealer on my lid, but you know, just to stick the product on. I want to stay on the nude today, not really the pink or the purple, so I'm gonna much focus on this line. And first of all, I'm gonna use the color Teddy right here. I love that name, Teddy. I have a teddy bear from my childhood that I named Teddy after a Disney movie. Okay, in English, what's the name? Bernard and Bianca. I don't know the rest of the name. Two little mouses who wants to save a little girl named Penny. Don't tell me down below that you know this this movie, but the little girl has a teddy bear and his name was Teddy, so mine was Teddy as well. So I begin to apply this color all over the crease and a little bit up, not too much. I'm really going, you know, softly. I'm building the color, and not like the other time where I was placing the color, then I was blending it. I keep just blending when placing the color, you know, because it's not really a defined look, and because we want something that is soft, even if it's glamorous. We're really blending the edges. Then I'm gonna go with the color Raw, which is a more darker brown, with the same brush and more on the crease, so lower than the color that we put before. It is to create more definition on the crease. I'm gonna take the same color and I'm gonna build a little bit in the other V to continue create a dimension on the eye. But really softly, you know, not placing a lot. I'm going step by step and really blending my way. With a bigger and fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the color Secret, which is a more cool toned nude, and just a little bit I want to put the color right here close to my eyebrows. I have the impression that it really softened this area and it's not that blank anymore, but we don't have a big color, you know, like what is going on with her, just subtle. What I want to do is create like a cut crease, but I am hoping that this color Bare will be light enough. We'll see. Otherwise I'm gonna have to use a concealer or something. But at the moment I don't really want to put, I don't want really to do a real cut crease with a concealer and everything. So we'll see if it's gonna work. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm packing the color, and softly I want to create the illusion, you know, of a cut crease. To light up this area right here. Can you see the difference between the two? And I think it's really glam, but it's soft at the same time, because it's not the real cut crease with the whole shebang. It's just you take a matte color lighter than the rest that you used. I don't mind that it's not really a white color, but I really want to see, you know, the difference between the other colors. And if you have the impression that the color on the crease is gone a little bit, you can take back your brush and, you know, going to recreate this illusion of a cut crease. It's the same kind of brush but smaller. I'm gonna take the same color, Bare, and put it under my eyebrows. And actually I'm not gonna use shimmer today because I want all soft glam matte look on the eye. So I will stop there. I will do the rest of my face. First off, I'm gonna use the Porefassional from Benefit on my T-zone. Today for foundation, I want to use again the Shiseido, the Synchro Skin Self Refreshing. And I didn't wet my sponge, so I will be right back. For concealer, I am using the L'Oréal Paris Infaillible More Than a Concealer. If you want a review on that, I did it on my last video, so it will be right there, I think. To fix everything, I'm going to use the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder. I'm not gonna set the rest on my face because I have more dry area on my skin at the moment, so I don't want to put powder on it. So I just set my eyes, and now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer in the color medium bisque, but to contour a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of bronzer on top, and I'm gonna use the Hoola by Benefit. It's gonna help set in place the cream. To clean a little bit underneath, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but for me it doesn't appear like a bronzer because it's way too light. The name is Reserve Your Cabana, and actually I am using it, I'm putting a powder on it on a beauty sponge, and then I clean up that way. So pressing the powder. And the excess powder I'm just brushing away. For blush today, I want to use Zoeva, and the color is Color Love Makeup, is it? I'm not sure. No, He Loves Me Maybe. He Loves Me Maybe. It appears a little bit bright, but when you're going slowly, you can really build up the color, so it doesn't really appear sorry, my voice, that bright if you don't want to. I feel like I'm alive again, you know. And for highlight today, I actually want to go slow to stay on the matte makeup, but not completely matte because I'm putting a little bit of powder, but it's the By Terry Brightening CC powder in the color 1 Immaculate Light. You know, this one that is so freaking pretty. And it's just to add a little bit of glow, but without this, you know, big glow like I like usually, but it's really more of glow from within, which I like from time to time, like today. So I'm putting a little bit on the higher part of the cheek. See what I mean? It's glowy, but it's not like bam on your face, which I thought for a soft glam will be really good. I'm brightening this area as well.
What is that?
Bridge of the nose, tip of the nose. I really like this one. Here, so I don't feel that naked. We're gonna finish up the eye. So I'm gonna do pretty basic actually. I'm gonna use the color Teddy again. That I'm gonna drag. C'est pour les sourcils. And I'm gonna take the color Raw again. Define the other V. And actually going all the way right here. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use Bear again. The more cream color. I'm using my Makeup Geek nude nude eyeliner. I prefer nude eyeliner than a really white. For mascara, I'm gonna use the primer from Marc Jacobs. And for mascara today, I'm gonna use something that I never used before. It's from Kat Von D. I mean, it was. It is the Go Big or Go Home, you know, the big tube like that. But I don't know if you heard, but Kat Von D sold her makeup brand to someone else. I don't remember the name actually. So she will not be the owner of Kat Von D anymore. It will be now KVD Beauty, something like that. But yeah, she's leaving the beauty market. It's kind of a drier formula. I don't have the impression that it's really wet and does you like a big spider lashes, but I actually like the result with the primer anyway from Marc Jacobs. I think it's really beautiful. And I'm gonna stay like that for the eye. To finish up, I will do the lips. So I'm gonna use the Arcancil Brun Rosé lip liner. It's in the color, like I said, Brun Rosé. It's 320. And for the lips today, I want to use an old liquid lipstick that I had, and I don't remember how it performs. I mean, the color, if I like it or not on the lips. So it's from Colourpop, and it's Magic Wand. It appears to be like a new color on the pink side. Yeah. But not too pink. Yeah, I like it. I think it really complements the eye look. And to set everything in place today, I'm gonna use the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And here you have the result. I really like it. It changes from my usual makeup because I like to add some shimmer or eye, but today it's all matte and I kind of like it actually. It really, for me, reflects the soft glam that people are looking for at the moment. So tell me if you like it down below. I will show you closer. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I was really glad to spend some time with you because it's been a while that I didn't film because of my voice. If you heard some noises during the video, I'm so sorry. It's because my girls are awake and they are watching what I'm doing and touching my makeup. So sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends who love makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.